Hello students, welcome back to the channel. Students, how are you all? I hope all of you are doing well. Students, as you all know, we have started chapter number 3, isn't it? In last lecture, we have studied about the uses of plastic. Also, we have seen two different types of plastics, that is thermoplastic and thermosetting. And we have also seen the point of differences between the thermosetting plastic and thermoplastic, isn't it, students? So students, open page number 41. Students, open page number 41. Textbook is the Science Horizon by Oxford School Education. Okay, that is the name of the textbook, course book, or you can also tell. Page number 41. Student, table is given to you on page number 41. Okay, the various plastics, names of the plastics are given to you and uses are also given to you. So let us study this various plastics and their uses. Okay, let us see one by one. Okay, you can see in the table, first one is a PET. First one is PET. What is the full form of PET? Polyethylene terephthalate. P for poly, E for ethylene and T for terephthalate. It is a type of a plastic where it is used for making bottles for some soft drinks and mineral water. Okay, so it is used for making bottles. And these bottles are used in soft drinks, Coca-Cola, Thumbs Up, this all are the soft drinks. For that, which plastic is used? This plastic can be used, PET plastic, polyethylene terephthalate. And mineral water bottle also. It is also used for a container of microwave cooking. You know about microwave. Many of you may also be having microwave, isn't it? So for microwave, different containers are used. So for making such containers, polyethylene terephthalate is used, and other food container also, and other food containers also maybe of polyethylene terephthalate. ठीक है, तो polyethylene terephthalate किस में यूज होगा? बॉटल्स बनाने के लिए और फूड कंटेनर बनाने के लिए. ठीक है, स्पेशली माइक्रोवेव में जो कंटेनर्स होते हैं उसके लिए भी यूज हो सकता है. दूसरा प्लास्टिक जो है HDPE. What is the full? High density. H for high, D for density, P for poly, E for ethylene, isn't it? Ethylene, sorry. Yeah, ethylene. High density polyethylene. So where it is used? It is used for making shopping bags, garbage bags, containers for shampoo, soap, detergent and bleaches. So it is used in shopping bags for preparing shopping bags, garbage bags. ठीक है, और कंटेनर ऐसे कंटेनर जिसमें हम सॉप, डिटर्जेंट, ब्लीच रख पाएँ, ऐसे कंटेनर के लिए कौन सा प्लास्टिक यूज़ किया जाता है? हाई डेंसिटी पॉलीइथाइलिन प्लास्टिक। ठीक है, हाई डेंसिटी पॉलीइथाइलिन प्लास्टिक कहाँ यूज़ होता है? शॉपिंग बैग हो, गार्बेज बैग हो। गार्बेज बैग यानी आपको पता है उसमें आप गार्बेज डालोगे, वेस्ट मटेरियल डालोगे, वेस्ट चीज़ें, कचरा उसमें डालोगे, तो उसमें हाई डेंसिटी पॉलीइथाइलिन प्लास्टिक यूज़ किया जाएगा। दूसरा, जो भी कंटेनर्स हैं हमारे घर में जिसमें हम सॉप रखते हैं, डिटर्जेंट, ब्लीचिंग लिक्विड रखते हैं, उसमें भी ये प्लास्टिक यूज़ किया जाता है, हाई डेंसिटी पॉलीइथाइलिन। अभी तीसरा टाइप का जो प्लास्टिक है, इट इज़ लो डेंसिटी पॉलीइथाइलिन। लो डेंसिटी पॉलीइथाइलिन, LDPE, L for low, D for density, P for poly, E for ethylene. Low density polyethylene. It is used for making plastic bags for grocery, bread, frozen food. ग्रोसरी फूड और फ्रोज़न फूड रखने के लिए बैग्स जो हैं किस में से बनेंगी? LDPE में से, लो डेंसिटी पॉलीइथाइलिन। सो इट इज़ यूज फॉर प्रिपेयरिंग प्लास्टिक बैग्स that plastic bags are used in for grocery, bread and frozen food. ठीक है, ब्रेड रखना हो, फ्रोज़न फूड रखना हो, ठीक है, जैसे पीस हैं, आधे लोग पीस को रख देते हैं, फ्रोज कर देते हैं, तो उसके लिए जो भी प्लास्टिक बैग यूज़ किया जाता है वो प्लास्टिक बैग LDPE से बना गया होता है, लो डेंसिटी पॉलीइथाइलिन। एंड हॉट एंड कोल्ड बेवरेजेस कप, हॉट और कोल्ड बेवरेजेस यानी टी, कॉफ़ी, उसके लिए जो भी कप्स हैं, दैट कप्स आर ऑल्सो मेड फ्रॉम लो डेंसिटी पॉलीइथाइलिन। ठीक है, नाउ नेक्स्ट इज द पॉलीविनाइल क्लोराइड, PVC. Okay, I am students giving you 1 minute first, note it down this and then we will do PVC. Okay, students. Okay, now next is the fourth one, PVC. P for poly, V for vinyl, C for chloride, polyvinyl chloride. Now uses, where it is used, it is used for making water and sewage pipes. Okay, it is used for making water and sewage pipes. वाटर पाइप्स और सीवेज पाइप्स आपको पता है, उसमें ये यूज होता है, कौन सा? पॉलीविनाइल क्लोराइड। PVC प्लास्टिक इज यूज फॉर प्रिपेयरिंग पाइप्स, वाटर पाइप्स एंड सीवेज पाइप्स. Okay, it is also used for wires and cable insulation. वायर और केबल एज ए इंसुलेटर भी यूज किया जाता है. Which PVC? देन इट इज ऑल्सो यूज इन फ्लोरिंग करने के लिए भी पीवीसी यूज किया जा सकता है। ओके, सो पीवीसी polyvinyl chloride full form, it is used for water and sewage pipes used for water and sewage, that one. Another thing, in wire and cable insulation, as an insulation it is used. Okay, third thing, it can be used for flooring also. Okay students, now next is PP, that is a propylene. So fifth one is a polypropylene. So it is used for making food containers. ठीक है, पॉलीप्रोपाइलिन कहाँ यूज होगा? ऐसे फूड कंटेनर्स बनाने में यूज होगा जिसमें हम केचप, योगर्ट, ऐसी चीजें रख सकें। ठीक है, दूसरा होगा लंच बॉक्सेस। लंच बॉक्स में ये यूज करेंगे हम पॉलीप्रोपाइलिन। ठीक है, फॉर मेकिंग लंच बॉक्स पॉलीप्रोपाइलिन इज यूज। देन मेडिसिन बॉटल्स, ठीक है, दवाई की बोतलें जो हैं उसमें भी वो जो बॉटल्स जो होती हैं वो भी किस में से बनी होंगी? पॉलीप्रोपाइलिन। उसमें आप ये प्लास्टिक यूज कर सकते हो फॉर मेकिंग मेडिसिन बॉटल्स। एंड न्यूमरस कार पार्ट्स, many car parts, for the production of many car parts also polypropylene is used. Numerous means many car parts. In many of the car parts this polypropylene is used. Okay, so this was all about polypropylene. Short form is PP and full form is poly. P for poly and P for propylene. It is used for the food containers. The containers such in which you can add ketchup, yogurt. It is also used for making lunch boxes in which you can carry lunch box. Though the person who are going to for job, those who are doing job, and also you students that you are coming to the school, you need a box. For that also it is polypropylene is used. Another thing, bottles that contains medicines, that bottles can also, for making such bottles polypropylene can be used. Another thing, many of the car parts, okay, that car parts are also made from polypropylene. Okay, now last one is polystyrene. Okay, last one is polystyrene. PS, P for poly, S for styrene. So it is used as a building insulating material. ठीक है, insulating material means the material from which electricity cannot pass. So for that purpose polystyrene is used in the building as an insulating material. Then it is also used for making thermocol. ठीक है, थर्मोकोल बनाने के लिए भी पॉलीस्टायरीन यूज किया जा सकता है। A form of polystyrene is used for making disposable crockery. For making disposable crockery, ऐसी क्रॉकरी जो हम डिस्पोज कर सकें, फेंक सकें, यूज एंड थ्रो, ऐसी क्रॉकरी में भी पॉलीस्टायरीन यूज किया जा सकता है। एंड पैकिंग मटेरियल फॉर फ्रेजाइल आइटम सच एज इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स एंड ग्लास एंड सिरम क्रॉकरी। ठीक है, इट कैन बी ऑल्सो यूज्ड एज अ पैकिंग मटीरियल क्योंकि आपको पता है ऐसे मटेरियल जो ग्लास के बने होते हैं या फिर सिरामिक के बने होते हैं, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स बड़ी बड़ी चीज़ें, तो उसको पैक करने के लिए पॉलीस्टायरीन कैन बी यूज्ड. Okay, so for fragile items means the items which are very sensitive, you can tell, डैमेज ना हो, ऐसी चीज़ें ध्यान रखनी पड़े, ऐसे आइटम्स. ठीक है, तो आपको पता है इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स आइटम है, ग्लास का आइटम है, ग्रोसरी है, सिरामिक का चीज़ है, तो जल्दी डैमेज हो जा सकता है. ठीक है, स्पेशली ग्लास की बात करें तो ऐसी चीज़ों को कवर करने के लिए एज अ कवरिंग ये पॉलीस्टायरीन का मटेरियल यूज़ करके उसे कवर कर सकते हो आप. So this was all about the different types of plastic and its uses. Students, I am giving you time, note it down, I am giving you 2 minutes. Okay students, I hope you have noted down it. Now students, next topic is the plastic in the environment. So I will read for you and then I will explain to you. Page number is 41, open. Plastics are being used on a large scale all over the world due to their various characteristics. Cheap, durable and lightweight, etc. But plastics are non-biodegradable, underline that, which means they cannot be decomposed or degraded by decomposers. Plastics are accumulating in our environment, as you can see in the figure 3.7. We do not have safe disposal methods for them. Okay, now next is, first of all, let me explain to you. Now students, in our environment there are many substances, many things. Now students, that substances are classified into biodegradable substances, and another is non-biodegradable substances. Now example I will take and then I will explain to you. Example is plant waste, animal waste, Now students, suppose you are having two type of substances. One, you are having plant waste and animal waste. Suppose you are having a fruit peels or you are having a cow dung, कोई भी चीज़ ले लो. सपोज यू आर हैविंग अ पील ऑफ फ्रूट, ठीक है, आप फ्रूट खाओगे तो आप आउटर का जो कवर है वो निकाल दोगे। ऑरेंज खाया आपने तो आउटर का जो भी कवरिंग होगी ऑरेंज की, that you will remove and then you will eat, so that is a waste, isn't it? Waste for us. Suppose we are having that waste, any of the thing you can take from here. Plant waste में leaves जो हैं सूख जाते हैं, गिर जाते हैं, the leaves become dry and fall down. Then fruit peels, I have just now only I told you that. Animal waste जैसे cow dung है, cow dung is animal waste. Suppose you are having these things at one side and on the other side you are having plastic, ठीक है, ये दो तरीके की चीजें आपके पास है। Now you can perform this activity, these things, collect these things and add these things into the soil. Soil के अंदर आप पिट करके have a pit inside the earth soil, I mean, and in that add these two items, ठीक है, ये दोनों आइटम डाल दो। एक साइड आप प्लास्टिक डालो और दूसरी साइड इसमें से कोई भी आप वेस्ट डाल सकते हो, प्लांट वेस्ट डालो, एनिमल वेस्ट, दोनों चीज़ें आपको अंदर डाल देनी है सॉइल के अंदर। आपको फिर कुछ दिनों के बाद ऑब्जर्व करना है, 10 से 20 दिनों के बाद। तो आप क्या ऑब्जर्वेशन करोगे? व्हाट विल बी योर ऑब्जर्वेशन? So after many days, whatever days you keep, 20 days, 30 days, afterwards, when you will open the pit, what you will observe? You will observe that there is no remain of plant waste and animal waste. जो आपने डाला था, काव डंग डाला, तो काव डंग ऐसा का ऐसा नहीं होगा उसमें। उसका क्या मतलब हुआ? वो डिकम्पोज हो गया, ठीक है। तो काव डंग अगर आपने लिया तो काव डंग का क्या हुआ? इट गॉट डिकम्पोज्ड, जैसा था वैसा आपको नहीं मिलेगा काव डंग, इट गॉट डिकम्पोज्ड। नाउ यू विल आस्क मी हाउ इट गॉट डिकम्पोज्ड। सो इट इज डिकम्पोज्ड बाय डिकम्पोजर्स। So this cow dung became decomposed by decomposers. Now you will ask me, ma'am, what are decomposers? So decomposers are microorganism. Decomposers कौन होते हैं? Microorganisms होते हैं। For example, fungi, बैक्टीरिया, ये सारे माइक्रोऑर्गेनिज्म होते हैं। जो भी आप प्लांट प्रोडक्ट या एनिमल प्रोडक्ट, वॉट एवर द प्लांट प्रोडक्ट और एनिमल प्रोडक्ट यू टेक, इट इज डिकम्पोज्ड बाय दिस ऑर्गेनिजम्स। दैट्स व्हाई दिस माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स आर नोन एज डिकम्पोजर्स, ठीक है। तो आपने अगर काव डंग लिया, प्लांट वेस्ट लिया, एनिमल वेस्ट, जो भी चीज़ लिया आपने, after some days what you will find that it had got decomposed because of decomposers. On the other hand, you have also placed plastic inside the soil, but the plastic will be as it is. Plastic जैसा था वैसा ही रहेगा। Why? Because decomposers cannot decompose it. Plastic is such a thing which cannot be decomposed, isn't it? So it will remain as it is. So the things which get decomposed, the things which get disposed, whatever word you used, are biodegradable substances. The substances which can be decomposed by decomposers are biodegradable substances, and the substances which are not decomposed, the substances which cannot be decomposed are non-biodegradable substances. Okay, so nowadays you know many items are prepared from plastic. Why? Because plastic is cheap यानी costly नहीं है, it is less costly. Second thing, high durability, plastics can be used for a longer time. Third thing, it is light in weight, its weight is very light. Because of these three characteristics, that is highly durable, less costly and light in weight, many items nowadays are made from plastic. But you know, this plastic is not decomposed only. So it is beneficiary that we use plastic. Plastic decompose हो ही नहीं रहा है. It is not getting decomposed. So it is not a good thing. It is not a good idea to use plastics, because it will be in the environment and it will affect many cycles, life cycles. It will affect cycles also. It will affect ecosystem also. It will affect environment also. So try should be done. Maximum try should be done that less and less amount of plastic should be used, because plastic is non-biodegradable. It cannot be decomposed. It will affect the ecosystem. If you are going to the market, you are buying anything, then it is better to carry any bag, that is the bag that is made from material, cloth material, instead of taking plastic bag from the shopkeeper. ठीक है, दुकानदार से आप प्लास्टिक की बैग में आप चीज़ें लेके आओ, उससे अच्छा है कि आप जूट बैग लेके जाओ, जूट, ठीक है, या तो फिर कोई भी कपड़े का बना हुआ बैग लेके जाओ. मैक्सिमम ट्राई शुड बी डन. Stop using plastic. Okay, so this you can do. Okay, so the substances which cannot be decomposed are non-biodegradable, and the substances which can be decomposed are biodegradable. Students, note this down, note it down. And decomposers कौन होते हैं? Decomposers are the microorganisms which do this decomposition process. For example, fungi, bacteria. Note it down, students. I am giving you 2 minutes. Okay, students, I hope it is clear to you till now whatever we have done. If you are having any queries, you can ask me. Okay, so whole topic whatever we have done today, you have to write twice in the homework. We will continue in the next lecture. Till then, bye, take care.